My splash, bro.
He's the best player of all time,
When I get on the floor and I see number 11 suited up with me, I feel good about our success and our chances.
And Clay down the